Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can save outfits presets, I guess, in Heartopia. So I don't know what level you can open this or you'll get it straight away, but I'm level DG24 and I just got it today. So if you open your watch, open dress up. For instance, you want to save like an outfit, like a full-on outfit. So I will just do that. Where's my O? Press save as preset. You can either select new preset or overwrite current preset. I'm going to save as new preset. Name it Cowgirl. And you can also enable tags here. And then you can see all of your saved outfits here. As you can see, I have one already. To delete it, just press this like button and press delete. Press confirm. You can only save 10 custom sets, but there's also collection sets if you have finished the collections. And once you're done with the outfit, you're just going to press save. It's not going to change, however, like the hair and the eyes. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.